Hello guys, welcome to Meze Tech Hub. These are Microsoft Word series. So today we are going to be learning. Stay attentive as we walk through this tutorial. Hello, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to be doing our first project and it's going to be on the basic formatting. So we'll begin by typing a letter to a friend. So let's see how we can format the letter to make it look professional. So I'll begin by typing my letter. So I'm done typing my letter. I'm going to put the link to download this particular letter. If you want to download the raw file, you can download it from the link I'm going to put at the description portal. So now, as you can see, these are letter that we have typed. It's not looking professional. It's just like someone that builds a house and doesn't put the necessary things, no window, no door, no plaster, so it cannot be used or nobody can stay in it. So let us try and format this using our basic formatting tools. So if you as you can see now, we have to move this particular address to the right. So to do that, first of all, I'm going to highlight. After highlighting, I'm going to do what? I'm going to align it right. So you see now I've aligned it right. So now this dear Joy, I'm going to increase it to 12, or let's say okay 14. Then I'll make it bold, as you can see now. Then let me change the font of this work. So I'm going to do Control A. Remember, I've taught on how to use the shortcut. So to highlight everything, you have to use your Control A. Then I'll go to my font and let me use Arial. So you can see it here. You can still search for it. You can search for it by typing it here, or you can scroll down to look for it. So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm also going to take this one to the right. So I'm going to use the align right and I'm going to move it to the right. Remember, I can still use Control R to do it. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put an indentation here. Remember, indentation is just like paragraph. So I'll use the tab button on my keyboard to put it. So it's now I've put it completely. Now I've used my tab to shift it. Now I'll use the tab button on my keyboard to give a paragraph. As you can see, I'm going to place my cursor where I want it to indent. Then I'm going to press the tab key. So as you can see now, our letter is looking very nice. Now the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to put a space in between this in each line. As you can see, the line they are quite joined together, so they are quite close. So I'm going to highlight it and then I'm going to go to my space and then give it 2.0. So as you can see, it is what's giving us a very nice outlook. So you can also do what? The next thing is to do our spell check. We're going to check for errors. As you can see, they are writing, or on beneath this is a red line showing that there is an error in the spelling. So if you look at it, this is not an English word, so it is correct. But Microsoft Word is going to see it as a wrong spelling. So since it is correct, I am very sure, I'm going to right click and then I'll click ignore all. I'll do the same thing for this. You see, they are giving me a suggestion of what I can use the correct spelling, but it is correct, so I'm going to use what? Ignore all. I also do the same thing here. I'm going to do what? Ignore all. Then I'm going to save my work. To save it, I'm going to go to File, Save As, click Save As, then click on Browse. Then I'm going to make sure that I click on Document or wherever I want to save my work, and then I'm going to save it as Letter to a Friend. Oops, sorry. Then I'm going to click what? Save. Remember, the save as type is what? Word document. So I'm going to click Save. It has now saved and the title bar has changed. So this is it for our project. Try to do it just little by little as we have done it. See you in the next project. Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you apply what you learned and also try to share it to others. Drop a comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.